Hi guys and welcome back. Today I have insane news for you. It looks like that the Ethereum spot ETF is about to be approved, and we also speak about Bitcoin, what this will mean for the Bitcoin price in the near term and also in the long term. If you think that's interesting, then definitely stick around here. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell, and please ignore the workers behind me because my office is still getting done here. So I will jump directly into today's content here. So here you can see Eric Balashunas, I hope I pronounced this right, made a post on Twitter that hearing the SEC wants to accelerate the launch of Ethereum futures ETFs because they want this off their plate before a potential shutdown. So because I think there are some issues if the date is coming up and the SEC cannot make a decision because they're in a shutdown and nobody is there to work on that. So I think that's why they have to accelerate it, because it might potentially open them up for some legal issues. So, and that's why now the odds are 90%, according to this article, that we will get on Monday Ethereum's futures ETF, and that's why Ethereum is slightly going up already. I think the market is not really trusting this to 100% yet, but if Valkyrie and volatility shares are providing the documents that they have to provide in the next 48 hours, then most likely we're gonna see Ethereum futures ETF by Monday, and that could lead to a massive rally over the weekend into Monday when we get the spot ETF, and then of course continuation to the upside. So as you can see here, while spot remains in limbo, Ethereum futures ETF highly likely, 90% odds to start rolling out in early October. Valkyrie first, albeit with a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, followed by dozen plus straight Ether futures ETFs. Gonna be a wild race, albeit with much lower stakes than spot via Jeffrey Safe, I think that's his name, and James Safeart. So that's his name. So you see, really crazy that this is about to happen, that we get here an Ethereum futures ETF potentially by Monday. When we're looking at the Dixie, the dollar index is dumping today. That's why we see also Bitcoin slightly going up here. That's exactly what I would like to see here. I see also that we actually got rejected from a level here. Yeah, so here we got rejected from that level. Most likely the Dixie into tomorrow is coming down here to 105.6 to retest this trend line here again, and we have to reevaluate if we get a bounce from there or not. But of course I would like to see continuation to the downside here. When we are then having a look at Bitcoin at liquidation levels and the trade that I gave you, so the trade is slightly in profits right now. I traded this already 2 times today and was scalping this. I might gonna jump into this trade again if we break above $26,560 because then most likely we're gonna move here higher to liquidate everybody here in that block that I was pointing out yesterday. Then when we are going here to the 4-hourly chart, we have a small imbalance beneath us that will get for sure be swept at some point, but I still believe that, especially with the Ethereum futures ETF news, that we're gonna see first this imbalance to be filled before anything else. So, and once this imbalance is filled, I still believe that we're gonna see here continuation into $27,000-$28,000, and only from there rejection back to the downside. Also, when we are going then here to this daily chart, so here I have a new indicator that I'm using right now. It's called MDX Algo Free. I'm gonna leave a link in the pinned comment below and in the description below if you also want this indicator. It's amazing. So here you see these W's are technically reversal indications and also giving you trend direction. So when you see here W's lining up like this, going up, and basically the next W is higher than the previous one, then you know you are in an uptrend. And if they start trending down, then you know that here's most likely a reversal coming. So so that's why they are quite nice. So now they are pointing to the downside, and these red boxes are supply areas and the green ones demand areas. So you see here we are right now really tight between both. And I believe because we have now for multiple weeks tested this downward sloping trend line, that maximum by Monday with the spot ETF, we're going to see a break through that and go all the way up to the top of that supply area to $28,000. So and that's why I'm long on Bitcoin right now and also on some altcoins because I want to be already in a position before this breakout is happening, because that can happen really, really quick and you might potentially miss it. So that's why I'm a little bit prematurely in that move. But I think it is a solid move that we're going to see, especially we are still creating here higher lows in the market structure, even though if we have here lower highs, but we're creating higher lows. And that is also another bullish indication for me that we might see here then a break to the upside, creating another higher low, and then reverse back down. When, you know, by the rumor, sell the news. That is most likely what's going to happen here with the Ethers futures ETF. So everybody will get into it until Monday, Tuesday, and then we're going to see a correction back to the downside. Here on the 1 hourly chart, also nothing has really majorly changed. We are still in that box range here between 26,300 all the way up to 26,600. We will definitely see a nice pop to the upside if we get above $26,600. That's also something that I'm just waiting for to be happening, and it could go into the June opening price here to $27,200. So an immediate spike up there is definitely in the cards in my opinion. And also the RSI is trending to the upside, also solidifying that we have bullish momentum right now in Bitcoin, again coming from the futures ETF. Guys, don't forget, if you want to take these trades with me together, sign up for the Bitget trading competition. You have still 2 days to sign up for the competition. Click that link, sign up, then go to futures trading and look for AMC winners and join my team so that we can trade together for that prize money. You see my calls in the recent days, they were spot on, and I keep doing that for sure. And otherwise, just sign up on BYBIT days to get 30K if you use here my specific link. So now really quick about Ethereum. You see here Ethereum is popping to the upside, but that has also some technical reasons. So we have here a lower low and here a higher low, and potentially forming here this W, and once we are breaking above $1,660, this W will be playing out, and that will have a price target of almost $1,800 to the upside. So, and that is definitely, in my opinion, possible with the Ethereum futures ETF news. And especially if they launch on Monday, 100% we can see a pop like that to the upside into the next resistance area, because funny enough, that is also sitting around that level more or less. So if I put it here a little bit down, so it's really close to it, really close, couple dollars away from it. Yeah, like $15 away from it. So really close. So keep watching Ethereum. If it breaks $1,660, that would be also a long entry to the upside, and a short entry would be for me at $1,800, because there is some resistance. I'm not sure if we could reach here $2,000 in one daily candle. We have to reevaluate when we get the futures Ethereum ETF. Guys, that was today a really quick episode. I hope there was not too much background noise because of my workers. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow without the workers.